computers as well as knowledge in digital science, our country is able to come up with new ideas that can help us advance forward.
Since PNG is a development country, we could identify the basic problems like the lack of water supplies in the rural societies and solve using the same process.
During the program, I learned that drones are not just flying cameras, but are capable of so much more, such as carrying medication to rural villages. This is especially important for developing countries like PNG. And with this information, I would like to share it with the rest of the country.
I think what I've really learned from this is how to program, how to use programming to automate everyday tasks to large industrial jobs. And I think this is very applicable to me because I want to take up a field in the STEM field of expertise, especially in computer programming. And I would like to use these capabilities to help my country in its slow advances. And I think a great example of this is the design plan that my team came up for a reforestation drone.